Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like to look at the sky?
Yes, I enjoy it because it is both beautiful and calming. I enjoy watching the changing colors of the sunset and sunrise, as well as the twinkling stars at night and the shifting clouds throughout the day. It's a wonderful reminder of how vast and mysterious the world is and how insignificant we are in comparison.
Question number 2. How often do you look at the sky?
Even if it's only a quick glance, I try to look at the sky every day. It's such an amazing part of nature that I want to be aware of it and appreciate it whenever possible. It's also a great way for me to unwind and reflect on the world around me.
Question number 3. Do you like to watch stars?
Yes, I absolutely adore looking up into the night sky and watching the stars twinkle and sparkle. It serves as a reminder of how vast and beautiful the universe is and that there is so much more out there than what our eyes can see. Stargazing also brings me peace and makes me feel connected to something bigger than myself.
Question number 4. Do you know something about stars?
Yes, I am knowledgeable about stars. Stars are massive balls of gas composed primarily of hydrogen and helium. They generate their own light and heat and can be seen from millions of light years away. Stars come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and they can be classified based on their color, temperature, and brightness. Stars also form star clusters and galaxies, and they frequently die and explode as supernovas.
Question number 5. What is more interesting, the sky during the day or the sky at night?
I think the night sky is more interesting because it is more mysterious and full of stars. The beauty of the sky can be seen during the day, but at night you can look up and be amazed at the billions of stars and galaxies that you can't see during the day. It's a wonderful reminder of the wonders of the universe and how insignificant we truly are.
Question number 6. Is it important to study stars?
Yes, studying the stars is extremely important. The stars are the source of almost all light and energy, as well as a window into the past and future. We can learn more about the universe, galaxies, and our place in it by studying stars. The stars can also help us answer some of the most fundamental questions about our world by providing valuable insights into the evolution of the universe.
Question number 7. Did you study anything about the planets and stars when you were at school?
Yes, when I was in school, I did learn about the planets and stars. We learned about the solar system structure, the various planets and their characteristics, and the various types of stars. We also looked into more complex theories like dark matter, black holes, and the Big Bang theory. It was fascinating to learn about the universe's vastness and complexity. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.